Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, I am Ysay and I upload my travel videos every Tuesdays. So if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell to keep you updated. So here we are today exploring the city of Quebec. So welcome guys. So today we are just going to Chateau Frontenac, and we just catch up with this beautiful musicians singing by the sidewalk, and their voices are amazing. Chateau Frontenac is a chateau-style hotel in historic Old Quebec, built by the Canadian Pacific Railroad Company in 1893 and designed by American architect Bruce Price. The Chateau Frontenac is an excellent example of the grand hotels developed by railway companies in Canada in the late 1800s. Considered the world's most photographed hotel, it was designated a National Historic Site in 1981. We are so fortunate and happy to see and witness this beautiful lady's performance, and there are lots of bystanders and tourists watching her performance, and I think she frequents the area pretty well, and she does a very good job. If you're a fan of Korean novella and you watch the series Goblin, this is where they shoot the series. This is the place, guys. Beautiful day of sightseeing around the Quebec area. At night, you can see street performers along the road, and you feel free to give a tip for their performance. Guy is definitely a Jabberwocky fan. He's doing a pretty good job, and we are enjoying watching him across the road. Of stuff and things you can see during our visit here in Quebec, and lots of performers during night, so this is definitely a fun night for us. There are lots of things you can see here. There are lots of restaurants and stores, and what amazes me are the very nice architectural buildings, very European style. lots of amazing things you can do here at Quebec, and like you just have to just chill out and listen to the music with all the street performers. So this is all for our video right now, and I hope to see you guys on our next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.